Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from three different decks, guys. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Taurus, what's coming up for Taurus? Of Pentacles. Taurus, with these cards, I feel you are walking away from some situation, maybe from some emotions. You don't want to be involved and you are tired of it and you want to just take a break, take rest, okay? So that is the energy here, guys. You are just what to say moving away from the situation, okay? You just want to stay away from this person. You would have felt that you were helping them a lot, being very responsible in the relationship, but still you have a few, what to say, differences with them. So you are just walking away from this person or this situation, guys, this relationship, and you just want to take a break. That is the energy I'm getting here, guys. Maybe this may be regarding your professional life also. um, you your work was appreciated, and it and you hold a very important position, okay? But still you feel you there are difference of views, okay, some kind, and you want to take a break from this work, or maybe take up something new. You want to leave this job, okay? That is the emotion here, Taurus. Let me pick three cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up. Or maybe this may be your person's energy. They may just want to move out of this relationship, walk away from you, or maybe you want to walk away from them because of some difference of opinions, guys. Anchor, Tower, Taurus. With these cards, I feel in your relationship, I've got the same energy here, guys. You are heading towards some kind of completion. You're trying to move yourself out of this situation, guys. You were feeling very responsible and what to say, committed, but you have some kind of difference in this relationship. That is the energy here, guys. Something which you cannot console yourself and get back, so you're just moving out of this relationship, guys, or heading towards breakup. That is the energy here. Maybe some of you all have some kind of addiction problems. Maybe because of that this separation is taking place, okay? But you are what to say, you are happy to come out of it. So that is also the energy here. You are creating your boundary in this relationship, like you are defining the rules, okay? So you are just saying no to the things that are hurting you maybe in this relationship, and you are trying to uh, make your point heard in this relationship. That is the energy here. So there is some kind of victory you're experiencing, like because you're making them realize, guys, you're making your person realize, or they may realize this problem, guys. They may be trying to understand, get a hang of this issue, okay? Whatever is happening in your relationship, they are trying to understand, and for that they are trying, they are taking a break, okay? Some kind of break is taking place, okay? Maybe it is a mutual break. You talk to the person and you tell them about the situation, about how you feel, and you both are deciding on this break. So that is also the energy here, guys. So at this moment you're feeling, what to say, some kind of satisfaction that you're taking the right step, right move to assess this relationship, okay, whether it is going on the right path. Let me pick out one more card from this other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Trust the flow. So Taurus, with this cards, I think it is time for you to believe whatever happens for the good. So maybe this break is needed, and maybe this was intended, okay? In life sometimes we need a break, guys, just to assess ourselves, and it helps us to learn about ourselves and spiritually evolve, emotionally evolve ourselves, okay? It is all in the divine plan, guys. So that way we will become better every day. So we need to have the clarity in our mind regarding the situation, maybe. So this break is a necessary one, guys. That is the energy here, Taurus. So just trust the flow, okay? Whatever happens for something good. So this may be the necessary step to overcome this situation, guys, overcome the difference. Maybe when you take a break, you will reflect within yourself and know the solution to the problem, okay? That may be the energy, or this may be your person's energy. They may need time to reflect within themselves and come to a clarity regarding the situation, guys. So that is the reading, Taurus. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.